Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm happy to announce the winner of the Foxeer ClearTX 2 VTX. In order to participate, all you had to do is just to leave a comment on my review and giveaway video, and now since the video got more than 1000 views, it's time to select a winner. I'm going to randomly select 2 participants. The first one is going to win the ClearTX 2, but in case the winner is not going to show up by the end of this month, the second winner is going to get it. The total number of unique commenters is 216, and the big winner is Maori. So congratulations Maori, you just won the ClearTX 2, and in case Maori is not going to show up, the runner-up is Scooter Pie. So in case Maori is not going to show up, Scooter Pie is going to win the ClearTX 2. Oops, just a quick update, I just checked, and Maori is not subscribed to my channel unfortunately, so you are disqualified, because one of the conditions for the giveaway is to be subscribed to my channel, and of course Scooter Pie is one of my subscribers. I read and reply to your comments all the time, so there you go, you are the big winner of the ClearTX 2, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to show up, but in case something happens and Scooter Pie is not going to show up, I'm going to select the runner-up, and the runner-up is KremerFPV. I'm just going to make sure that he's my subscriber. And there you go. He is one of my subscribers. So in case Scooter Pie is not going to show up, you're going to win the ClearTX 2 VTX. So congratulations Scooter Pie for winning the ClearTX 2 VTX. As always, I would like to thank you guys for your continued support and for Foxeer for sponsoring this giveaway. See you on my next videos and goodbye.